I'm Jenna Neal. Hi, I'm Jenna Neal. Welcome to my channel. Yay! I have a new bag. Yay! Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Jenna Neal, and today I have a box. I couldn't help it. I had to buy these two bags. So, AZARIA, thank you so much. I know right away it says AZARIA on the front. So I'm super excited because there were other kudos to AZARIA for getting me my package right away. Thought it was really awesome to get that shipping notification and have my box. So excited. Thank you. Alright, so what did I buy? Oh my gosh. What did I buy? I bought two bags this time, not a lot, if you only count this box. Alright, so, whoa, look at how big this is. Oh my gosh, this is huge. And then this one's not as big, but oh my gosh, are you so excited? I'm so excited. So the first bag is the AZARIA Jolie. I've wanted this the last time they had the sale, but I missed out because I saw it like last minute and I never was able to buy it. But oh, look at that. Whoa, it's not what I expected at all. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Ow, it's like, I can see it on the screen. It's definitely not that bright, so I can see how it's like it even looked super yellow orange on the website, but it's like a very almost a terracotta orangey brown, if you can imagine. Oh my gosh, so this is the Jolie. Oh, I love it. Yes, I already have one of these in black, but I'm not a fan, as I've said a number of times, I'm not a fan of the color pink. And I didn't think it would bother me, but it really bothers me that the inside of the bag was pink and black because they just don't go together in my brain, so I don't use it. And I love the outside of these bags. So, I'm hoping that this won't bother me. Oh my gosh, I love it. Maybe because it's warm and brown and it doesn't clash in my mind. So excited. Okay, yay! So the AZARIA Jolie in the color Saddle. I believe it's Saddle. I think it's discontinued. Super excited. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, so we have the, oh, look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's just a backpack, I know. It's just a backpack. Oh, it comes with all of the plastic. I love it. Grab handle right here is important. It has a magnetic pocket. It has the two pockets on the side that I can stick my 20-ounce water bottle in. Oh, it's so pretty. And then the inside opens pretty nicely. I'm not a fan of mesh either, but still make it. I kind of wonder if over time I could just cut this out. It has two pockets in the front made out of nylon. And then it comes, this is the cool part because I've never seen this with a backpack before. It comes with a strap. How cool is that? That is definitely something that AZARIA does well, is it give you straps. Fan of getting one strap to move around. I love that they give you straps. Definitely a positive with this brand. And then they have the cool claw. I feel like they've upgraded their hardware over the years, but maybe not. Maybe it's just because I have more bags. But it clips on like that, and then you can use it cross body or over your shoulder depending on how long you want it. I can fit all my books, my notebooks in here. It has feet. Oh my gosh, and it's such a rich color. It's super rich. And then two zippers, which I think is really cool. I love that. So simple, but yeah, efficient. So I love that there's two, and then come these little tassels. So you can see the little tassels. Super cool. Oh my gosh. And then, pink. Oh my god, it's so pink. And it's so like wipeable, if that's your thing. Is that really my thing? I guess maybe it could be, should be. And then I can put my laptop in there, and there's a magnetic closure, and I can just stick my laptop in here if it's too big for the pocket. Wow, it's super like leathery. It's super pink. But actually, you know, the pink doesn't bother me as much when it's more with a warm color. I don't think it like glaringly pokes out at you. I was worried that I was going to lose this to my daughter if they went back to school. But look, and it comes with a tassel right there to have this pocket. It's a full wide pocket, and then of course that one. And then on the back, more plastic, but got a zipper pocket here for the full length of the bag. Wow, I didn't think I would like this as much as I do. The color is really hard to explain. It's like a very, I guess, saddle. I think of like riding boots. And this color, it's gold hardware. I would say it's like a terracotta mud color. It's like that. It does have that orangey brown to it. I feel like online and in the camera, it just doesn't do it justice. Wow, it's super fun. Oh my God, I cannot wait to pack this up. Maybe this is my new week bag. Yay! Woohoo! Wow, this is so funny. This is, there I am. There I am. Hi, here I am. Here I am. Yay. Okay. I really like this. Okay. What? All right. So we have shoulder. What? I use this this way actually, to be honest. I've used the black one this way. I just don't really like the black. So I like it. And then I don't really use it this way, or at least I haven't, but there's an option to crossbody it somehow. Crossbody, kind of the same, I guess. What? I'm just in a mood. Oh my gosh. Yay! Bags. Okay, and this. What? Oh, see? Love it. Now, if I bought this, why did I buy the other one? Because, like, do I really need two bags that are, like, kind of the same? I mean, don't tell my husband. Hopefully he doesn't watch my videos. Hi, honey, if you watch them. Didn't really need two bags in the same color. This one's on sale. Yay! Oh, I like it. And I expected it to get hijacked by the little one, the daughter, for when school went back, she wanted it. But, on the body. There you have it. The AZARIA Jolie in color saddle. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Isn't that so pretty? I really like this. Oh my gosh, I really like this. How am I gonna use all these bags at once? That's not a bad idea. Actually, I could use this one and that one together. They match. Super excited about that. Isn't that beautiful? All right, yay. Unboxing bag number 2. Black Friday splurge. Okay, didn't plan on getting this. I really went on the AZARIA website to get more clutches. And well, I don't know what. They're almost very, very similar. It's not as terracotta red toned as this one. Ow, okay, so you can kind of see the color and then even the shading from the light. That is saddle and this is Konya. It is like a more orangey color, which orange is my favorite color, so I'm really into this. This is gonna be new. Totally sitting on the floor. Here you go. Got it. Okay. Shh, shh, shh. Oh. Dora. What is wrong with me? But, okay, so start over because I'm sitting on the floor. Why am I sitting on the floor? I don't know. Okay, but I'm sitting on the floor, on the wood floor. Hope you stayed till this point. Thank you so much for watching the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed. And I look forward to the next video. Thank you. Yay!